We are glad to welcome you on a Hard Reset YouTube channel. Today in front of me I have the Eufy Indoor 2K security camera, or Eufy Indoor Cam E220. And today I will show how you can get its dedicated app on both iOS and Android based devices. So regardless of what system you use in particular, the process will look somewhat the same, and the app is also identically the same for both systems. So if you are an iPhone or an iPad user, you will need to go into the App Store on your phone. Here it is. Let me reduce the brightness slightly. And then here, look for the Eufy Security. Then look for this specific app, get it installed, and the Android procedure is somewhat the same as I've already mentioned, but instead of an app store, you will need to launch the Google Play Store. Now look for the exact same app, that is Eufy Security, and get it installed. For both apps, the developer is Anchor, obviously, since Anchor is the mother company of Eufy. Now just allow some time for your application to be downloaded and installed, and as far as getting the app goes, that'll be it, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.